Barcelona have just released the latest official footage from the Camp Nou rebuild, and it's packed with massive updates. From the soaring cantilevers of Gol Norte to the near-finished main stands, the stadium is transforming fast. Today, we'll break down every key change on site and reveal how Barca's return home is closer than ever. How Barca's gradual return to Camp Nou will unfold. The reopening will happen in 3 clear stages. Phase 1, marked in red, is already completed. That's the main stand and the south stand, allowing around 27,000 fans back inside. Phase 2, shown in blue, expands capacity to 45,000 spectators once the lateral stand is finished, a milestone expected by the end of November. Then comes the most exciting stage, Phase 3, in yellow, when the north stand finally joins the rest, pushing the total capacity to around 60,000 seats. That's set to happen by the end of this season, right before Barca's full return home. The third tier will take a little longer, but next year, Barca fans will truly be home again. At the north goal, where alveolar plates stretch out across the third cantilever, crews are busy installing supports for the safety nets, and you can already see sections fully painted white with fireproof coating, while others still wait their turn. The host points out how fast this upper level is taking shape. It's one of the most visually impressive areas right now, with the cantilever slowly connecting to the rest of the stands. Below the action, the diamond area has become the construction team's playground, packed with beams, brackets, and leftover formwork. A massive diagonal pillar sits on standby near the stairs section, waiting to be lifted into place. The concrete pump is silent today, but plenty of sections have already been poured and stripped of their formwork. Smooth, finished concrete surfaces now dominate the lower levels. Over by the lateral parking zone, things look cleaner and more structured. Panels are being trimmed to close uneven gaps from the joists, and the entire slab surface is almost fully covered. With props and temporary supports removed, the space finally looks ready for reinforcement. Jazinas, the steel joists, are already staged nearby, hinting that the next big milestone is about to begin. The corner area remains the busiest part of the site. Workers are bending rebar, installing separators, and leveling slab sections to match height differences. Concrete from earlier pours is already cured, and formwork removal keeps progressing. At the same time, platforms are moving up and down non-stop, tightening bolts and checking bracket connections. This section has turned into the heart of Camp Nou's current transformation. A bit further up, the final esquadras are almost done. Just a few small brackets are left to reinstall after one was removed for adjustment. Prefabricated stairs are stacked neatly, ready for the tribuna section, while the prefabricated stands on the third tier are nearly complete. A few workers are patching minor concrete chips with mortar, tiny fixes that show how close this phase is to wrapping up. The north goal structure is almost sealed, with concrete, rebar, and painting nearly finished. The parking slabs are prepped for the jazinas, and the corner zone is leading the charge in rebar and leveling work. Llama's installation is paused, but should return soon. Overall, it's another day of steady, visible progress, the kind that brings Camp Nou one bracket closer to glory. If you enjoyed this update, hit like and subscribe to GOAT Sports. We cover every beam, seat, and surprise at Camp Nou. Don't miss next week's visuals. The next phase of the North Goal could be the most dramatic yet.